In this video, I want to talk about 3 side hustles which can make you money while sleeping. Not just that, I also want to share things which you can make and marketplaces where you can sell your products easily. I am also pursuing this way and I also suggest you too to get started. Some of them are new and not many people know about that, so you might find an edge on those platforms if you act early. Hey friends, my name is Divas Jumal and on this channel I create videos related to entrepreneurship, making money online, freelancing, and I share my journey of making money online. So if you are interested in these kind of topics, make sure you subscribe and like this video if you find this video informative. Digital products. Digital products are the best way to make money online. They are easy to create, sell and deliver. And once you have created digital product, you can sell it over and over again with little to no additional effort. That means you can generate passive income, work from anywhere and reach global audience. If you are looking for ways to start your online business or make money online, digital products are the best option for you. Some of the benefits are: digital products are intangible, so you don't have to worry about getting out of inventory. Once you create digital product, you can sell it over and over again with no additional effort. Digital products are easy to scale because there is no logistics involved in increasing production. You don't need lot of money to start selling your digital product. You can start from where you are with the resources you already have. There are several platforms on which you can promote your digital products such as Gumroad, Teachable, Sellify, Payhip, Podia, Sellwire, FlickRocket, Creative Market, and you don't have to remember every of the platform. I will provide all of them in the description. There are so many digital products which you can sell and most of them fall under these categories: graphics, PDF documents, ebooks, software, video, photography, audio and music, online courses, web-based application, digital art. There are many options. You can check out on already established platforms like Etsy that will give you insight what is in high demand, but you can also be successful if you choose rare and unsaturated niche. Blogging is still a great way to make money online. Even if you don't like writing, you can make money with it. Let's see how. So you can outsource your writing. There are many talented writers who would like to write for your blog for a fee. This way you can focus on managing your blog and focus on growing your audience while someone else takes care of the writing. If you have time and energy, you can manage multiple blogs on different topics. This will allow you to reach wider audience and generate more income. Successful entrepreneurs know how to leverage their time and resources. For example, you can create template for your blog post or you can use AI tools to help you generate content. Here are few ways bloggers can make money. Once you have a large audience, you can sell advertising space on your blog. This is a great way to generate passive income. If you have expertise in particular topic, you can create or sell ebooks or courses on your blog. This is a great way to monetize your knowledge and reach a wider audience. Many companies are willing to pay bloggers to review their products and services. This is a great way to make money if you have large and engaged audience. Even if you don't have prior experience of writing or editing content, you can still start a successful blog. There are many platforms that offer easy to use tools that even beginner can get started with. There are many platforms for bloggers. Some of them are WordPress.org, Web.com, Blogger, Tumblr, Medium, Ghost, Wix, Gator, HubSpot CSM, WordPress.com, Squarespace, Weebly. I am also pursuing this way and I also suggest you too to get started. All you need to get started with YouTube is a smartphone and an internet connection. You can think of YouTube as a type of digital asset or real estate. It takes work to make and upload videos, but once they are up, they can continue to get views and generate revenue for you without any additional effort on your part. Of course, coming up with the ideas, doing research and editing your video is not always easy, but if you are talking about something which you love, it doesn't feel like work. The key is to work hard and create timeless videos. These are the videos which people would like to watch over and over again, like how to get a girlfriend or how to increase your Instagram following. So how do you make money on YouTube? YouTube places ads on your videos and promotes them through AdSense. In return, you get 55% of the ad revenue generated. Of course, you can't start a YouTube channel and start making money right away. You will have to complete 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time before you can get monetized. On average, it takes 15.5 months and 164 videos to reach 1000 subscribers on YouTube. But not all YouTube channels are created equal. You will earn different amount of money depending on different type of content you create. For example, advertisers pay more for businesses and automotive media than for vlogging and children's programming or pranks. So if you are looking for side hustles that will make you money while sleep, YouTube is a great option. Just remember to be patient and consistent and create timeless videos which people would like to watch. Here are few ideas for timeless YouTube videos. You can create how-to videos, educational videos, product reviews, funny videos, vlogs, music videos, interviews. If you are interested in starting a YouTube channel, I highly encourage you to do it. It's a great way to share your passion with the world and make money at the same time. Do you know any side hustles which I haven't covered in this video? Write down in the comment and let everyone know about that. You can watch this video next, which I think you would be interested in. If you are my old subscriber, you might have noticed some changes. I am putting a lot of work in creating these videos. I am learning editing. I am learning how to make this video look good. I am trying to improve my videos. If you compare from my previous videos, I am learning from others and I am making little changes. I hope you like this video. Let's meet in next video with more improvements and more awesome and helpful information. Bye.